Channel idea number 6 are psychology channels. There's tons of huge psychology channels on YouTube, and one of them is Brainy Dose. Brainy Dose has 1.4 million subscribers, and they get millions of views on their videos without ever getting behind a camera and without even showing their face. And they just do videos like, the people who like to be alone have these 12 special personality traits, 6.8 million views. And as you can see, even the thumbnail, it looks like just a stock image that you could find from pixabay.com, pexels.com, with some text on top of the thumbnail, and these thumbnails would be very easy to make. And the videos are literally just stock images and stock videos compiled together with a voiceover done on top of those videos, written in their own words, just talking about things like how to read anyone instantly, 18 psychological tips. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics, this channel is getting 6 million views a month, making between $1,000 and $24,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. I would guess that they're making anywhere from $12,000 to $18,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. And here's another channel called Practical Psychology, 1.8 million subscribers, and they just do videos like the 4 best things to do in your free time, 10 morning routine habits of successful people. And if we take a look at their videos right here, it's literally just these animation videos with someone talking on top of the videos. Now you might be wondering, how can I make animation videos like this? I've never animated something in my life. You can simply use a software called VideoScribe. As you can see, VideoScribe literally lets you make animations just like this, and it's literally only $35 a month to use this software, and they have a completely free trial. And if you're interested in VideoScribe, I'll try to leave a link down below in the description where you can get that as well. Here's another channel that doesn't even show their face called Permission to Exist. They have 73,000 subscribers, and they literally just do videos about narcissism and psychological things that go along with that. And as you can see, they just do videos like how the narcissistic male views marriage. And these videos can get a lot of views, 1.6 million views. And if we take a look at this video right here, it's literally just a slideshow. You can use a slideshow software like Google Slides, PowerPoint, Keynote, and you can make slideshows just like this and literally just do a voiceover on top of these videos talking about subjects like narcissism, psychology. There's so many different subjects that you could talk about in relation to psychology, and so many different sub-niches that you could dive into and talk about and help people in return with running channels like this. So just like with animal channels, with psychology channels, you can also monetize your channel with affiliate marketing, with affiliate marketplaces like clickbank.com. As you can see, they have a self-help section on here, right here. So there's tons of different self-help products that you can promote on ClickBank and get a percentage of every single product that you sell.